Introducing Hagonoy Chromolina odorata of the family Asteraceae. Hagonoy is an eric, hairy perennial shrub 1 to 3 meters high, which emits a pungent smell from its grass leaves. The stem has many opposite spreading branches. The leaves are opposite, petiolate, ovate to ovate, deltoid to acuminate. 6 to 12 centimeters long, 3 to 7 centimeters wide, dark green, often purple when young, conspicuously tree-bent. Hagonoy is propagated by seed. It is found mainly in pastures, rangelands, and in newly established plantation crops. Hagonoy is considered an invasive weed of field crops and natural environments in its introduced range. It has been reported to be the most problematic invasive species within protected rainforest in Africa. In Western Africa, it prevents the regeneration of tree species in areas of shifting cultivation. It affects species diversity in southern Africa. The plant's flammability affects forest ages.